हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप सभी लोग? इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स present in a cell. What are the different terms related to a cell? Clear? So see, all these are the terms or components related to the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. See, glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane or cell membrane. These are the cell envelopes. They make the boundary of the cell. So they are the cell envelope. Glycocalyx present in prokaryotic cell. It may be present or it may be absent in case of prokaryotic cells. If glycocalyx present in loose sheath form, jelly-like layer form, clear? It is known as the slim layer. And when it is present in tough, hard, rigid layer form, it is known as the capsule. So capsule and slim layers, that is the form of the glycocalyx. And glycocalyx may be present or may be absent in case of prokaryotic cell. And it provide protection to the prokaryotic cell. It acts as the framework of the cell. And glycocalyx is made up of polysaccharide and protein. Polysaccharide, that is the complex type of carbohydrate. Clear? And the second, cell wall. Below the glycocalyx, cell wall is present. Clear? And that cell wall chemical composition is vary in different group of organisms. Like in case of plant cell, cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose. In case of bacterial cell, cell wall is made up of pseudopeptidoglycan or peptidoglycan, that is the murein. And in case of fungal cells, it is made up of chitin. So cell wall is also the protective covering, outermost covering in case of plant cell, fungal cell and bacterial cell, prokaryotic cell. From cell wall, flagella, pili, fimbriae, these structures arise, and these structures helps in movement and locomotion of the organism, attachment to any substratum to the bacterium, and it also helps in conjugation, a process of reproduction. Clear? So that is the cell wall. Next, plasma membrane or cell membrane or plasma lemma. It is present in all the type of cells, whether it is plant cell, animal cell, prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, fungal cell, protista cell, Mullerian cells. All the type of cells have the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Clear? And cell membrane is mainly made up of phospholipid. Phospholipid is the made up of phosphorus and lipid, and also contains some amount of protein and carbohydrate. It also provides framework to the cell, and it helps in exchange of material from outside to inside and inside to outside. Plasma membrane bears cilia-like structures, hair-like, thread-like structures, that is the cilia, as we can see in case of paramecium, numbers of cilia present on the surface of the plasma membrane body surface. So that is the cilia. It also helps in movement and locomotion. Clear? So these three, glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane, these are the cell envelopes. They make the boundary of the cell. Cell membrane present in all the type of cells. Cell wall present in case of plant cell, fungal cell, protista cells, Mullerian cells. And glycocalyx may be present or may be absent in case of prokaryotic cells. Next, protoplasm. See, what comes under the protoplasm, student? So protoplasm include cytoplasm and nucleus. And cytoplasm include different type of cell organelles and cytosol. And Cytosol includes like the storage substance, secretory substance, and excretory substance. So all the component of a cell held by the cell membrane known as the protoplasm. एक सेल में जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं सेल मेम्ब्रेन के नीचे जो होल्ड किया हुआ है सेल मेम्ब्रेन से, वो सभी को हम एक साथ क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोटोप्लाज्म. सो प्रोटोप्लाज्म मीन्स all the component of a cell held by the cell membrane, all the components of cell present below the cell membrane known as the protoplasm, and that protoplasm is divided into mainly cytoplasm and nucleus. Clear? See, nucleus is the master component of the cell. It is very important as has the importance of brain in our body, because this nucleus regulate, control all the metabolic activity of the cell. So without nucleus there is no existence of cell. So this nucleus is very, very important. What are the components comes under a nucleus? Nuclear membrane, outer nuclear membrane, inner nuclear membrane, nuclear pore, as nucleus membrane is not continuous, so that make the nuclear pores. Perinuclear space, between outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane is space present, and that space known as perinuclear space. Then nucleoplasm, the fluid held by the nuclear membrane known as the nucleoplasm. In the nucleoplasm, a small dense spherical colloidal body present, that is known as the nucleolus, and in the nucleoplasm chromatin reticulum present, that is the highly coiled thread like structure that we say chromatin reticulum, and also chromosome. Clear? So nuclear membrane, nuclear pore, perinuclear space, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and chromatin reticulum or chromatin network, these are the component of a typical nucleus. Clear? And nucleus always present in case of eukaryotic cell. Clear? Next, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm divided into cell organelles and cytosol. See the different type of cell organelles like mitochondria, and this mitochondria known as powerhouse of the cell, power plant of the cell, are cellular furnaces, because it provide energy to the cell for the vital activity, for the life process. And second, plastids. Plastids present in case of plant cells, and they are three types like chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast, that is the green color plastid, provide green color to different parts of the plant body, mainly the leaves. Clear? So chloroplast known as the kitchen of the cell. Clear? Where the process of photosynthesis takes place, resultant food form. So chloroplast. And chromoplast, that is the colored plastid other than the green color, like yellow, red, pink, many more color. Clear? And leucoplast, like the colorless plastid. So plastids also three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Further we will discuss in detail. Next, Golgi body. Golgi body is known as traffic police of the cell. Traffic police of the cell, Golgi body. It is also known as dictyosome in case of plant, Baker's body, idiosomes, Golgi apparatus. Okay, so many names of the Golgi body. Next, endoplasmic reticulum. And endoplasmic reticulum act as the endoskeleton of the cell. It provides strength to the cell, mechanical support to the cell, rigidity to the cell. And this endoplasmic reticulum commonly known as highway in the cell. Highway in the cell. Next, this endoplasmic reticulum also two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes present on the endoplasmic reticulum, known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosome not present on the endoplasmic reticulum, known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Next, ribosomes. And ribosomes are also known as RNP particle. RNP, ribonucleic acid protein particle. Ribonucleic acid protein particles. And ribosomes also two types, 70S type ribosome and 80S type ribosomes. Next, lysosomes. Lysosomes also known as the suicidal bag of the cell. Next, centrosome are centrioles. Next, microbodies. And microbodies are the minute spherical enzyme filled structures. Clear? Like spherosomes, peroxisomes, glyoxysomes and lomasomes. Then vacuole. Vacuole is known as the storage house of the cell, and it is mainly in case of animal cells, temporary structures scattered throughout the protoplasm. But in case of mature plant cell, it is single, permanent and centrally located. We will see in detail further. See, next, cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton means microtubules, microfilament and intermediate filaments. These structures provide mechanical support, rigidity, strength to the cell. Next, chromatophores. Chromatophores and mesosomes. These two cell organelles present in case of prokaryotic cells. Chromatophores contain photosynthetic pigments. Clear? Like bacteriochlorophyll, bacterioviridin in case of bacterial cell. Mesosomes are formed by the folding of cell membrane of prokaryotic cell, and they are 2 to 4 in each cell, and they helps in the process of respiration and also helps in DNA replication and distribution of chromosomes. Clear? So chromatophore and mesosomes present in case of prokaryotic cells. Next, plasmodesmata and middle lamella. We will discuss these two terms in detail in next lecture. These two terms, that mean component present in plant cell. Clear? Next we see cytosol. What the things comes under the cytosol? Storage substance. Storage substance have, that is the water 90% approx, carbohydrate, protein, fats or lipids, vitamins, amino acids, ions, mineral salts like calcium ion, magnesium ion, chloride ion, sodium ion, magnesium ion, zinc ion, okay, many more ion, NaCl salt, okay, and gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, many more gases are there as a storage substance. Next, secretory substance like enzymes like pepsin, renin, trypsin, chymotrypsin, hormones like insulin hormone, glucagon hormone, growth hormone, okay, a thymosin hormone, epinephrine hormone, adrenaline hormone, many more hormones are there. Nectar, coloring matters, mucus, milk, sweat, sebum, that mean oil or wax like substance, tears. These are what? These are the secretory substance of the cell. Next, excretory substance like ammonia, urea, uric acid. These are the excretory substance of the animal cells. Gums, resin, tannins, glucosides, these are the excretory substance of plant cells. So the cytosol divided into storage substance, secretory substance and excretory substance. So in next lecture we will discuss in detail what is protoplasm, what is cytoplasm and what is cytosol. We will also explain plasmodesmata and middle lamella.